Oh, your water, I didn't bring your water right now.
Look at him, guys. He's wearing a Guinness thingy. And then, ang first winner natin is si...
Good morning, Philippines!
Hi guys, I'm done with the shower. Oh my god, it's itching now everywhere, Han. Oh my god. Anyway, so katatapos ko lang nag-shower. Good morning everything. Well, good afternoon na pala. Good afternoon na guys. Nabisi ako kanina, naglalaba, naglilinis lang ako buong half day. And then, nagtubig tayo kaninang umaga. And then, another harvest. Meron na naman tayong Tommy just keep eating cucumber salad. So, I think this one, I'm not gonna make a salad. I'm going to fry this with eggplant because i-harvest ko yung eggplant and I have 2 okra already. And I'm gonna harvest some small string beans. Hindi pa siya mataas pero i-harvest ko na para mag-isa tayo. And because it's 12:08 na, this. Kanina pa yan dyan guys. Gising yan. Kanina pa talaga yan. Kunin ko lang itong mga pagkain. And dito, dami. There we have a lot of vegetables. I think I'm going to finish this first. Yung old one. Kapagod guys, no? Pagod maglinis palagi na lang yung mga vacuum. Ay, nakakapagod talaga. Yung mukha ng tamimoy ko ba hindi may tsura? Sa isipan niya, nagpataka naman lang yung may hananing lito. Ay, nako. Hi guys. I think bukas ko na tulutuin guys with eggplant kasi meron tayong eggplant doon. I-harvest ko yung dalawa kong eggplant. It's already late afternoon. It's 4:30 na. And it's time for snacky. It's snacky for Tamimoy. I don't know. You don't eat lunch? You did? What do you have? Salad. Huh? Pasta. So, Tommy got me mango. I'm not even eating mango because I don't like this kind of mango. I'm a man, stole your woman. And hey guys, ilagay ko lang itong ano, kasi tapos na akong naglaban ito. Ito naman. Gustong-gusto ko to, kaya binabalik-balik ko. Yeah. I-try natin itong ano guys, yung binili ni Tami na mango para sa akin. So, i-try natin itong mango binili ni Tami. Kasi, ito yung mango nila dito. Yung makikita mo talaga sa grocery store, ito siya. Pero, hindi natin alam kung ano yung taste, kung hindi natin siya. Nakatikim na ako nito noon. Ayaw ko itong mango na to as in. Iba yung lasa niya kaysa sa mango na sa atin. The best talaga yung mango. Karabaw. Yung karabaw na mango. The best talaga siya. I think yung karabaw mango is from Thailand. I don't know. From Thailand ba yan? Parang dinala lang sa Pilipinas. Ano lang, hiwain lang natin and then meron naman akong bagoong pero ayaw kong magluto ng bagoong ngayon. Kapag maasim ito, okay sa akin. Masarap siya. Okay pa naman pala. Ano ba to? Dinner time, guys. Kakain kami ng dinner. And yung kakainin namin is yung leftover na lamb. Yung meat. Ang lamb is, inano ko lang siya, niluluto ko sa oil para maluto talaga siya, guys. Kasi yung masarap siya kapag naka-fry sa oil. And ito din yung sa akin. Yeah, it's already 7:19 ng hapon. Sabi, I told Tammy, this is a nice time to cut the grass. Because there's no sun, not hot. And you can only cut the grass until like after what? 9 o'clock? Before 9?
Right.
9 o'clock. The same thing in the morning, right? 9 or 10? 8 in the morning?
But I usually go a little later.
I know. Yeah, but I hear that neighbor over there.
Well, legally you can do 8 if you want. But common courtesy is supposed to legality.
Okay then. You can start eating. Do you have your thing? You can move this one. You need space.
Well, you're working on it. Maybe you're afraid that.
Look at him, guys. He's wearing a Guinness thingy. This is yours, right?
That's fine.
Then time. I'm going to put yours in this prepared dish. Here's yours. Hi guys. So ngayon, mag-ano tayo guys. Sasabihin ko sa inyo kung sino ang nanalo sa load. Yung palod natin na giveaway. Subscribe lang kayo guys because we will have to do this more often yung load. Probably once a week. Yeah, probably once a week I will give you a load sa mga lucky winner, sa mga nagsusubscribe, and also sa nag-leave ng comment kung saan ko in-announce yung giveaway. So, yun siya. So, meron tayong dalawa. Meron akong napili, dalawa. Ang gagawin po ninyo is message me sa Facebook. Hindi sa Facebook na Facebook, yung sa page talaga. Dito guys, yung nilagay ko yung page natin. Ito siya. Doon kayo mag-message, okay? Pasalamat po ako sa nag-cooperate, sa mga nag-comment. Ang dami ninyo guys. So, dalawa lang yung pipiliin ko. And yun, pasensya na talaga sa hindi ko mapili. Pero guys, keep on watching because I will do giveaway more often here sa YouTube channel ko. And kasi, you know, pasalamat tayo na andito kayo. Last year, few years back, you know, kami ni Tami, nag-giveaway kami sa inyo guys. Nag-giveaway ng pera, ganun-ganun. Sana din, keep on watching because hindi natin alam, baka magpa-giveaway ako ng kaunting, once a month, baka pera, okay? Hindi ko alam, pero yeah, para naisipan ko, lalo na ngayon sa mga magulang doon sa Pilipinas na yung schooling is na mga kaunting tulong, 'di ba? Hindi natin alam, pero keep on watching. Konting cash, okay? Hindi naman ako milyonaryo. You know, sana makasubscribe kayo para malalaman din nyo and i-click ninyo yung bell notification para ma-notify kayo kung meron tayong upload kasi i-announce ko lang dito yung mga winner and then another giveaway na naman. So guys, so yun siya guys. So, keep on watching because magpili na naman tayo ng dalawang winner dito sa vlog na ito. Isabihin ko sa inyo kung yung dalawang winner and then mag-comment kayo. Mag-comment kayo dito sa channel ko and then pipili na naman tayo ng bagong load giveaway. Okay guys? So yun siya guys. And then maybe magugulat kayo hindi na load yung ginawa ko kundi kaunting cash. Hindi naman ako guys, kunting cash lang, baka naman mapadalhan ko kayo yun. So yun lang siya. And then ang first winner natin is si Linis o Aini. Linis, ilagay ko dito Gadaingan, okay? So, yun po siya. Congratulations sis. Message me sa Facebook and then sabihin mo kung anong cellphone mo and anong network, okay? Global or Smart. I-send nyo yung profile picture po ninyo kung ano yung profile picture nyo sa YouTube. Yung profile picture nyo po at saka pangalan, yung account nyo sa YouTube. Please i-send kasi yun lang yung ko talaga na kayo yun, okay? And then the next winner po is si Juvie Daklan. Hi sis Juvie Daklan, thank you so much for watching. Also, screenshot nyo lang yung YouTube nyo with picture and pangalan, di ba malaki? Example ko dito ha, yung YouTube ko ganun. Screenshot nyo, isend nyo sa akin with a message yung cellphone at saka carrier po ninyo. Ito, and then also another giveaway na naman tayo ng load. So yon, once a week, I will try my best to do once a week. I will try my best to do once a week load dito sa mga subscriber po natin. And also share the video kung gusto lang naman niya. Baka yung iba kasi hindi gustong mag-share sa Facebook, i-share yung video ko sa Facebook. Pero, i-share yun lang kung gusto nyo, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations sa dalawang nanalo ng load. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe guys and click the notification para ma-notify ha, para may mga load tayo and also may pa-surprise, baka may surprise cash tayo. Anyway, good night. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, ready to go out, pee-pee.
Quiet.
Quiet, huh?
Yeah, skunk living in the yard now, though.
Look. Huh? Somebody still cutting the grass. May nagkakat pa ng grass, guys. Relax. Iin na namin itong vlog. What time is it? 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
Yeah, 9 o'clock na guys. Pero tignan nyo. Somebody's cutting the grass. Yung pinakabundok doon. I did lock it. Yeah, maybe you just can't see it. It's behind some trees. Wala masyadong ganap ngayong araw. Dito lang sa bahay. Kanina kasi busy itong si Tami. Pina-finalize niya yung tax. And I'm itching so bad, like I don't know what's going on with me. Naglagay ako ng calamine. Was that yellow thing for itch?
What yellow thing? Oh,
Calamine?
No, calamine is the pink.
Oh, calamine is the pink one.
Right. Benadryl is the clear one.
Yeah, so yun siya guys. We're gonna end the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, Han.
Bye, guys.
Good night. See you tomorrow. We don't do anything today. So we just stay home and yeah, that's it.
Paperwork.
Yeah, Tommy was so busy with the paperwork. Look at Roxy. Where's Miss Tian?
Oh, there's a lot.
She's still out there. Hi, Diam. Look at this. Look. Hi, Diam. Look what she's doing. Hi, Diam. Hello, Diam. Naghihintay siya, guys. No, Dimples, Hubs is over there waiting. Hi, Diam. Okay, let's go inside. Come in.